Okay.
Hey, today I have a new brand Yonex boot. I'm going to show you here. Wow, brand new. I got we bought this morning. Wow,
From
ta-da.
how they come here. Oh my god.
This is the classics boot. The top hero badminton. We use this boot. So this is the very new
Itu siya niya ada
and I bought this boot actually. The size is 41. This is my size, and I bought this. The shop name is I don't know.
The son name is I don't know.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Look at this. So beautiful. Yellow mobile, blue and white, and the under part is yellow and so beautiful. Sao bảo không?
Con nó kêu mặt đèn ta lại.
Okay. Thế là các bạn ở chỗ xong chất trọng tầm mà tổ si đi hà thì để tay thì hà đi về nhiều hơn này. Tua đây mà đừng ăn ta khu chỗ lo màอยู่ช่วงมาเข้าที่ไร
Nà mìnhပြောlên, nà mình
ก็
ပြော.
นามีเรื่องมุติที่พวกมัน
Nà mình mà tiêu này là blue khẩu sáng mà là.
Wow, so very fit. This one is so classics and I like it.
Yes.
Playing sport or playing badminton is very essential for human as our body will be gonna be healthy and our brain, our mental and our body structure is better than before after playing badminton.
Sẽပြောlên.
And this is Yonex brand new 65 number 65 here 65 and this color is light blue color and white, so beautiful. Okay, rất thời gian lại anh biết ca khủng đâu mà cho nó đây không bằng ôi to này nó
Cho.
다 지노와 미마제네 소인도 때때이 셋다운 피바래 soလုံးဝမလျှော့ဘူးလျှော့လို့လည်းမရဘူးတဲ့မြန်မာပီတာဆန်ဆန်ခုတော့လောချင်းနေမကောင်းဘူးကုန်စည်ထုံးတက်တယ်တက်စီစီတက်တယ်ဒါပဲပြောတာစိုက်နေတာဘာမှမဆိုင်ဘူးသူတို့သူတို့ဘာတာကိုဈေးတင်တာရှောက်တင်တာ
Từ lúc sáng cả ba mà sáng.
အဲ့ဒီစကားတွေက YouTube မှာတော့ပြည့်ချင်းဝင်တော့
ခဏလေးကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ Yonex ပဲလာတယ်ကျွန်တော် Yonex fan ပုံမှန်လေးဟုတ်ရယ်
À tiết.
ဒါလည်း brand new ပဲ 对吧？哇！对呀，那把它 SB Japan Singapore 啊，对呀，对呀，พี่เนาะJapan ไม่ใช่ไหม
啊，不啦，我一起蘑菇呢。
拜拜，see you again。